Hi, how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make my nan's noodle salad or pasta salad, whatever you like to call it. So let's go and I'll show you how. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for Nana's pasta salad. We need some pasta that I'm going to cook, some celery, corn, shallots, 1 red onion, 1 normal onion, some curry powder, salt and pepper, capsicum, walnuts, mayonnaise and parsley. So let's go and I'll show you how I make it. Okay, firstly I'm going to cook the pasta and it's going to be cooking for 9 minutes. I'm just going to wait for the water to boil and I'm just going to add some salt. It makes the temperature of the water boil faster. So I'll come back when the pasta's done. Okay, pasta is done. I'm just cooking the corn in the microwave for 6 minutes with the husks on. And this is how much shallots I'll need. I'm going to use 2 for this recipe, 2 stalk things, and about that much celery and 1 capsicum. And now I'm going to chop it all into slices. Also, don't forget to wash all the vegetables that you use in your pasta salad. You just want to get all the dirty dirt off and all other bits and pieces off. So don't forget to do that, guys. Okay guys, our pasta salad is ready to assemble. I have all my vegetables chopped up here on this plate. In this bowl I have the mayonnaise, a good tablespoon of curry powder, salt and pepper in here, and I've got the pasta ready to assemble here, and I have the parsley and some shallots for the garnish. So let's put it all together. Okay, I'm just going to mix the curry powder and the mayonnaise together, and then I'm going to put it in the pasta and then I'll add the vegetables. So just give it a good mix together and then add it to your pasta and then add the vegetables. Now at this point, if you don't think there's enough mayonnaise, you could definitely add more mayonnaise or more curry powder. Now I'm just going to add the vegetables. There you go, the vegetables are in. Now give it a good old mix. And there you go guys, they're all done. I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours and then serve. Yum-o. So guys, I hope you loved my video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another delicious fun video. Cheers guys.